practice ko lang yung mga
Hello, welcome to my channel. And also I made this necklaces out of
iba-iba.
this. Hello, welcome to my channel. I
Relational.
made these necklaces
Alam niyo,
and
nung unang
also
napuntahan kong
these bracelets.
Disneyland, pinalad ako. Dinala ko ng pastor after 3 months ko ng mission. Dinala ko sa
So
Paris,
I made
Disneyland.
this
Mayayaman yan.
last night and it was 11
At
o'clock
pumaparada
last
na.
night and I'm
Sabi,
still
masaya.
awake. Well, I made these
Yun ako,
necklaces.
namumuluha ako
And
sa
do
aking
they look
pastora.
beautiful? And also they have moons like
Sabi
that.
ko, naalala ko yung Jesus ko.
Because in this one, there's a moon. Do you see
Tingin
that?
ko kayo kay pastor.
And
Ewan ko
also,
kung nandito rin kayo.
this one is a
Lahat
big
ng
one.
masarap at
It's
masayang
big and
bagay.
it's
Maharap
heavy.
lang po isi-share mo sa pamilya niyo.
Oh my
Kung
god.
manahin kung tama po sa inyo yun.
And also it
Subukan mo bumili ng
has
isang lechon.
a little accessories like this. You like it? So tell me if you want.
But minsan kahit
If you
maliit na
want
bagay,
to
nag-aagawan kayong pamilya,
tell
you are
me
happy.
you-
Are you there? I think it's not
Also
the
tell
key.
me
This is
where
the
you go.
enjoyment of
So
having
I can make
fellowship
you this.
and may mga kausap
I mean,
tayo, may mga
I
kasama
couldn't
tayo
go
live.
somewhere, but
Sometimes we don't even realize
But I'm
may
just
mga
showing you.
emptiness, relational.
look at this. It
Material.
says
Minsan,
a tulip garden.
emptiness mo.
Ah, not
Yung
my,
mga material
not my
na
Mamma
bagay
Mia.
na hindi na naiintindihan.
Sorry about that.
You long for
Well, do you like this?
intellectual. But
It's
we talk
like
about spiritual.
this.
Pag-usapan natin po yan. Simulan natin
You
natin.
know,
Let's talk about what do you mean Pastor Joey in the context of
I
Bible
used
emptiness, spiritual.
a lot of
Nakalagay po dyan,
beads
nilagay ko sa
in
ating
there.
PowerPoint. Spiritual emptiness. Sa mga kumukuha ng PowerPoint, pakikuha na po ako para kasama naman ako sa inyong course. Spiritual emptiness is a
So,
case of feeling,
These are the
Stay po
beads
yan,
that
ah.
I made.
feeling unfulfilled. Pag sabi ko unfulfilled. Parang
Well, if
gusto naman
you
po ba? Lahat ng bahagi meron siya, pero
buy
sabi
it
mo, walang
on
kahulugan,
Moa
walang
when
kahulugan. Yun po
you
ang
live
sinasabi ko.
in Philippines.
Dumadating tayo
Because
sa
it's
panahon na
I
gusto
mean,
ulit ganun.
it's not
Because
expensive.
we are
It's just
created by
like-
God
A low price.
hindi yun lang ang makakasatisfy sa atin na hinahanap tayo.
You know.
Sabi ng isang
Thank you
theologian,
for watching.
our hearts are
Bye.
restless.
Oh, don't forget. She's so
At totoong
perfect.
lover
Blah,
ng
blah,
soul.
blah, oh. How I
So mula po dito sa kontekstong ito, ang sabi ko
You're
po, hindi yung problema. Ang sabi ko, disconnected.
run to
Feeling mo you are
make him
disconnected.
off your
Sabi ko
love,
ng
and
isang,
just let me say, well, now.
hindi ko matanda